Hey guys, it's Magic Dog here, and today this is going to be my first video with Subway Surfer. So let's get into this.
Hey guys, it's obviously me, DSBS Kitty.
Yeah, you know him from all the other videos
I have made.
Yes.
If you actually, why would they know me out of those videos? Actually, now I think about it.
Yeah.
Because they were just like looking at me. Oh my god, yeah. This is good.
So how many subscribers do you have?
9.
Really?
Not that many.
Yeah.
Only 9 people.
Yeah, so it's kind of good.
Jump
Over the trains. Yeah, Callum seems to. Callum's really good at this, at Subway Surfer.
I want to be the best.
Callum has always got me a really good bloody high score. I can never beat him. And even if I did,
gotta catch 'em all.
Yeah, he likes Pokemon.
I've got to play GTA. Why am I singing the song when I'm not even playing the game?
Callum.
I play TCG every day.
Callum really likes
play
Pokemon.
TCG and the normal games. I haven't trained.
Yeah, Callum has a huge.
It's not huge. It's small as crap.
Callum has a lot of Pokemon cards.
I have a full binder full.
Yeah, nearly the whole binder.
Actually, the whole binder.
No, still have some pages left over. Well, he might. Yeah, you do.
No pages left over.
You do.
Lauren, look, I'll show you the back of the book.
Well, even if he does.
Look, Lauren, look.
One sec,
Back
guys.
of the book.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess he has filled it then. Sorry.
Fucking idiot.
I didn't realise you filled it.
Yeah, of course I filled it.
Oh. Okay, so this is really hard. Oh, wait, how did I... This must be a glitch. This is a glitch in...
sold my car.
Wait, wait.
9.5k.
This is a glitch. I didn't even hit into the train, and the cop just went after me when I didn't even hit into the train.
What's John's crazy on? There's actually no one in this level.
Really? So I guess you're on your own.
Cool. That's a good thing. Because now no one can blow me up.
Oh my god! I just got a new trophy.
Cool.
See your collection in the award menu.
No.
First ever trophy. That is really rare.
I have like 5 trophies.
God.
Money, motherfucker.
Okay, good.
Oh
my god, that's bloody awesome.
What else is bloody awesome? You shitting out. Oh.
I've never really got a trophy before, guys.
Guns and Bergen.
Yeah, and the trophy is a rare. Yay!
Laura, just keep opening the boxes, your boy.
I have
Because you can get 900,000.
Yeah, that's the jackpot. Okay, so I'm gonna open the one.
And your mom put your
really more money. Wow.
Money, motherfucker. Ka-ching, 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 ching, ching.
I'm gonna just skip my mission. So yeah. Damn. Pardon me. Got no key, okay.
My aim's so shit. Got him. Go. Get in this car. I need to be on the roof of the building.
Okay, so guys, I'm back. Okay, I'm just gonna keep trying to, okay, I'm just gonna play a bit more so I can get enough coins to beat my friend, to like,
not your friend,
to beat a mission, because I don't really have no friends on here yet.
Because you, not connected.
Yeah, because I'm not connected to Facebook.
You're too little.
And so I'm just going to try to get enough money so then I can skip it. My brother's just a bit cuckoo today. I think it's because of all the Dr. Peppers he had.
I haven't had any Dr. Peppers.
You have today.
What have you?
When you came home, you had Dr. Pepper.
No, I didn't. I had like a top. No, that was Fanta. Can you get me my Fanta? I can't reach it. I'm not Stretch Armstrong.
You are.
Totally.
So, this video is going to be on till 15 minutes. So, yeah.
No, less than that.
Yeah, less
Like
than.
13.
Yeah, or 15, or 14.
Right, I have to go to Simeon now.
What the hell's Simeon? Okay,
Your butt.
bloody hell.
Oh, fart.
My brother's disgusting. Yay, I'm flying in the air. I lost my underwear. Oh, yeah.
Lauren, shush.
Sorry.
You're shit at comedy. You hear me?
You're shit.
Well, don't try and fight with me.
Ready?
I will kick your ass.
Or kick your ass. You can lick my bum. Go, delicious.
I'm your fucking brother. Why would you even fucking think like that?
You can go lick my bum. What? You're fighting with me, so I'll fight with you. I've been on killing Callum. Go and lick a cat stick.
What the fuck is this?
Okay. Go and pie around the room, like, woo. Okay. Would you really pie around the whole room? Go like, oh god. Fucking hell, shit. Shitheads, big fat blob of poo on the loo bog. Okay. Yeah. Where be blobbill? Mamma mia! Mamma mia! One toing, what? What the hell, man? Wee! Put your hands in the air like you just don't care.
Do you know how close I am to dying?
How close?
Like, one more hit then.
Put your hands in the air like you just don't care. Look at it. Put your hands in the air like you just don't care.
That was long.
I won't. Okay, so I'm going to keep an eye on this so I don't record it too long. Oh
You might as well end it there.
No.
After that long, you might as well end it.
Okay, I'm going to end it in a minute, guys, if I die.
Right after that. Upload it after that. Because of Callum's comedy.
Callum doesn't really have no comedy.
I am really funny.
No. Okay. Okay, so... Oh my...
Simeon's gonna be Simeon. Yeah, Lawrence, end it now.
So I'm gonna
End it. Goodbye.
end the video now, guys.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Wait,
Have a
press
great-
that one.
Yeah.